hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So today I just got my package. We're about to see what it is. It should be my sunglasses. So I'm gonna open this up. I don't know what any of this says. It's some Chinese stuff. So made in China, whatever they was writing on here. Let's see what these sunglasses looking like. Ah, this is really stuck. Can't even get it out. Pause. Alright. So, let's see what's all in here. I should have 14 sunglasses and 20 of these. So, I got the cloth bags that the sunglasses are going in. There's 14 of those and 14 of, maybe or 20. Should be like 14 to 20 of the cloth, microfiber cloths in here to clean the sunglasses. And let's see what this is. Can't even open this up either. Oh, so this must be, I ordered two. So this is the little mini kit for the sunglasses or whatever glasses that you may have. I don't know why I opened up like that. But this is the kit to like make them tighter. Let's put these back on in here. They're like little screwdrivers that you just select. So you pick one of these. And then whichever one you need to use, it got something else at the end. I gotta figure out how to work this out. Once I do, oh, nope, I found it. So you put this in here, push it down and turn it. And then that way, whatever you need to tighten up, you can, or loosen up. Whatever, so I'll be selling these too. My video though. Supposed to have two of these, so let me see if I got two of these in here. So here's one. So I'm going to have to check my order sheet because I could have sworn I ordered two and I only got one in the pack. So I'm going to go through that later on. But here are some of the sunglasses. These are my butterfly ones. So you have two of the black ones, two of these bluish purple ones, I'm gonna check my thing because I know I put two of those and I only got one. So let's see what happened. Oh, I guess I did just pick one. Oh, guess that was on me. I have another butterfly one that's mostly pink. So I'll let y'all see this. And then I have two of each of those. So let's see what these look like. These are one of my pink and blue sunglasses. That's rimless. You definitely want to be careful with these because they are rimless. I have 2 of those. And then I have a different color one. These are just mostly pink. Pink and clear. I like the black butterflies and the pink ones. And then I also have these like tan sunglasses. Like brown color ones. I have 2 of these. And then I also have the black ones. So I'll probably try them all on just to see how sturdy they are. So far they feel pretty decent. I was surprised all of them was able to fit in this little old box, but they were. But these are some of the ones that I have, as you already saw. So I will just continue to unpackage and unbox them and make sure none of them are cracked. Might have to send them back. So I'm most likely gonna be selling these between 20 and 25, depending on the style. Just because a lot of them, some of them look more elegant. Especially the rimless ones would be more. It's hard to find a lot of those. They do feel real sturdy though, so that definitely helps out. They have like little designs and stuff on them. But I was saying show pictures, individual pictures as well in the video. I really want to keep most of these for myself, but it ain't for me. It's for me to sell. I'm really digging these rimless ones. I should buy some more of those. The butterfly ones are really cute, so